Do you suspect roof damage? You got a minute? Well, there's no need to adjust your busy schedule. Simply schedule one of RoofClaim.com's free state-of-the-art drone inspections. It's quick, and no one even needs to get on top of your roof. Please watch this quick video on the short process of drone inspection and see if this option is best for you. Step 1. Go to roofclaim.com/drones and fill out an online request for a free roof inspection. Step 2. A drone specialist will call you to go over our process for contactless drone inspection, and they'll send over a drone consent form for your signature. Then once signed, your inspection is scheduled and flown. Once the report comes back, a drone specialist will contact you to set up a Google meeting to go over the drone inspection with you. And lastly, once approved, RoofClaim plans and installs your brand new roof. It really is that simple. No headaches, no stress, and no person-to-person contact. So what are you waiting for? Go online and schedule your free drone inspection today.